Certainly. Here are some of the best coding apps for learning and practicing in mobile devices. 1. Solo Learn. Learn to Codes. Solo Learn offers a wide range of coding courses, interactive lessons, quizzes, and challenges for beginners and experienced developers. Inky. Learn data science, coding, tech skills. Inky provides daily coding challenges, lessons, and quizzes to help you improve your coding skills and learn data science concepts. It offers a gamified approach to learning and is perfect for those looking to enhance their programming knowledge. Programming Hub. Learn to Code. Programming Hub offers a comprehensive collection of programming courses, coding exercises, and a compiler for practicing code on your mobile device. Aid. Android Ideas. Aid is a powerful mobile app that allows you to develop Android apps directly on your smartphone or tablet. It features a code editor with real-time error check. Shencode. Learn to Code. Encode offers interactive coding lessons and quizzes for beginners to learn coding concepts step. Tinker. Coding for Kids. Tinker is designed for young learners and introduces them to coding through interactive games and activities. It's a great way to nurture coding skills in a fun and engaging manner. PyDroid 3. ID for Python 3. If you're into Python programming, PyDroid 3 is a mobile ID that lets you write, test, and run Python code on your device. termux. For more advanced users, termux provides a Linux-like environment on your mobile device. It's a great introduction to programming logic.